Strike Vector, Deus Ex Mankind Divided, Ryse, Son of Rome, Remember Me, Saints Row 4, Deus Ex Human Revolution, Quantum Break, Ark Survival Evolved, Warhammer 40,000 Space Marine, Darksiders Roman 2, Resident Evil 6, Warframe, Vanquish, Corruption 2029, Sleeping Dogs, Batman Arkham Knight, Prince of Persia, The Forgotten Sands, Airships, Conquer the Skies, Borderlands 3, Batman Arkham Origins, Assassin's Creed Syndicate, Dark Souls Roman 2, Rise of the Tomb Raider, Tomb Raider, Middle-earth Shadow of Mordor, Batman Arkham Asylum, Dark Souls, Dark Souls Roman 3, Batman Arkham City, Dishonored, Mirror's Edge, Hellblade, Senua's Sacrifice, Grand Theft Auto V.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.